Hello all. Today we see about adverbs. Adverbs modify a verb, an adjective or another adverb. Verb is your action. To describe an adjective, verb or adverb, adverbs are used. For example, the fire engine runs fast. Here, runs is a verb and fast is an adverb. Next, an adverb describes more about an adjective. The news is very surprising. Here, surprising is adjective, very is adverb. An adverb modifies another adverb in the sentence. It rains very hard. Here, rains is the adverb and hard is the adverb. Rain is the verb. Rains hard. Hard is the adverb and very is the another adverb to describe the adverb had. Adjectives can be changed to adverbs by adding ly. Slowly, quickly. To change adjectives ending y into adverbs, please add ILY, happily, easily. Please go through the exercise. Thank you.